Dear children, this is the last module of today's session. In this session, we are going to discuss how to do mathematical operations in a series. I had given one example program for that. For each and every pandas program, we need to import pandas from the standard library. That is why we are giving import pandas as PD. PD is the alias name that I already told. Look at the series. What is the elements of the series? Yes, it is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Look at the next statement. It is a print statement to print what is to be going displayed. To multiply all values in a series by 2. It is very easy. Print S into 2. What internally happens is the compiler will take very first value from the series, then it will be multiplied. Again, the second value will be taken, then it is multiplied with 2. And so on till the last value, that is 5. The next statement is to find the square of all the values in a series. We already know the double asterisk is given for getting the square of any number. So, look at the print statement. Print S into 2. That is for getting the square of each and every element in the series. So, it will take the first value and it will get the square. That is exponent or rise to the power of 2. The into is given for getting the exponent value or rise to the power of value. So, first the interpreter will do 1 square, then 2 square, then 3 and so on till 5 square, till the last element of the series. Then the next statement is to print all the values in a series which are greater than 2. So, the print statement is given like this. Print yes, within this square bracket we are giving another list as S less than 2. So, we are printing only the series in which the data items which are greater than 2. Now, look at the output of the given program. That is to multiply all the values in a series by 2. We will get the series along with the multiplied value. 0, 2, 1, 4. Then 2, 6, 3, 8, 4, 10. Print all the values in a series by multiplying with the 2. Then find the square of all the values. Actually, it is given as 1, 1, then 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16, 5, 22. The next one, it will print the series which is greater than 2. That is 2, 3, 3, 4, 4, 5. My dear children, you can also try this in your Android phone. Only thing, you should have to install PyDroid software, then type the program and let it know about how the output will be displayed. My dear children, once again I am repeating, we can create a pandas using series data structure. A series can be created by using list of values. Only thing we should have to remind us, the values which we are giving must be in the form of homogeneous. That is, the type of the data item must be same. The index is mutable in series, whereas the values and the size are immutable. Indices we can change, whereas the values we are not supposed to change. Thank you.